This is the final result of a tournament with 81 players. In the second round, the winner met number 24, and the ELO gap between them was 431 ELOs. If the gap is that much, the weaker player will only win one game in 13. This chart shows the ELO ratings for all the players, with ratings ranging from 1400 to 2400. Let's take a closer look at player number 24, shown in green here with the rating 1985. In Swiss, he met the red players with a spread of 431 ELOs. The chance of the weaker playing winning is less than 8%. With ELO pairing, the spread is reduced to 50 ELOs. The chance of the weaker winning now here is 43%, a five-fold increase. Please note, in Swiss, the player never met any of his 8 closest players. The axes show the two players with the strongest players in the upper left corner. And down the main diagonal, you will find the weakest corner. The games on this diagonal have a low ELO gap. The other two corners are slaughter corners, like this one and also this one, with a huge ELO gap. The chance of winning in the slaughter corners, where the gap is 1000 ELOs, is 0.3%. That is 1 in 317 games. As you can see, the games paired with Swiss are spread all over the place. In this matrix, most games are very close to the main diagonal, going from the strong corner down to the weak corner. Along this diagonal, the chance of winning is close to 50%. That is 1 in 2 games, as the players have similar strength. As you can see, there are no games in the slaughter corners. In the next video, I will show how it is possible to compare players with weighted ELOs.